outside Rahul Gandhi's residence in the national capital. But remember, Captain Amrinder Singh, who was to meet the party high command, has reached Punjab without interacting with either Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi. Meanwhile, in yet another development, Rahul Gandhi is all set to meet several of those Congress MLAs in the national capital. Sumi is with us, reporting from outside Rahul Gandhi's residence. Also, Anuj is joining us from the national capital itself. Sumi, if I could come to you first, when is it that those Congress MLAs are to meet Rahul Gandhi? There's a lot of suspense over why is it that Captain, though, reached Punjab, left the national capital without interacting with any of the members as far as the senior Congress leadership is concerned.
Yes, absolutely. That is somewhere a concern for Amrinder Singh and his fellow party members, because Captain Amrinder Singh was here to iron out the differences between him and Navjot Singh Sidhu and to reach a consensus because of the infighting that has been going on for quite some time. In fact, the infighting has been going on since 4 years. And in fact, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, who formed the high command of the Congress party, have now stepped up their efforts to end this infighting that has been going on, to resolve the situation in hand. And in fact, Rahul Gandhi, as we speak, has been meeting with every Punjab face concern. In fact, right now, Sunil Jakhar, who had a conversation with Rahul Gandhi, has come out and he's speaking at length as to how Rahul Gandhi really took stock of the situation, and he asked what were the demands of the people that were not addressed by the government. And in fact, Captain Amrinder Singh, he's also they are also discussing as to what needs to be done to win the elections in Punjab that is due next year. And every leader that is now every leader that is now having a meeting with Rahul Gandhi is been asked about the demands of the people, has been asked about the mistakes of the leaders that have been done, the grievances that they have been facing since quite some time, as the sources, highly placed sources in Congress Punjab have been telling us that Captain Amrinder Singh became inapproachable for a lot of leaders, which is why now this infighting has now come out in the open, and the kind of language that is employed by Navjot Singh Sidhu on social media platforms against Captain Amrinder Singh is certainly very, very controversial, and which is why this needs to be addressed, and which is why now Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are meeting all these members. Sunil Jakhar happens to be the PCC chief, and now he has come out and he is putting out the details of the meeting. He said that Rahul Gandhi, the way he has been taking this entire situation seriously, really indicates that the situation at hand will certainly get resolved in a week's time. He's asking all the media people to stay patient because this issue will be resolved in a week's time. And in fact, before him, we also saw Bajwa, who's also one of the main leaders of Punjab, having a conversation.
So a big question mark on why really is it that the captain, reached Punjab without having met Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi for that matter, something that was being speculated for the last 2 days. We have a reaction coming in from Rebel MP Pratap Bajwa, who also, remember, by the way, met Rahul Gandhi in the national capital. Listen.
नहीं देखो, जो मुलाकात मेरी ते मेरे लीडर च हुई वो तो नहीं मैं जनतक कर सकता, बट पंजाब दे जो हालात ने मौजूदा सियासी हालात की ने, इलैक्शनां दा की पार्टी दा इस टाइम कित्थे असीं खड़े हाँ ते पंजाब दे लोकां दी की एक्सपैक्टेशनस ने मौजूदा पार्टी दी हाई कमांड कोलों, वो मैं सारी गल ते चर्चा करके
एक सवाल पूछा गया कि विदाउट सीएम फेस जाना चाहिए या सीएम फेस दे नाल जाना चाहिए।
इस गल दा मैं जवाब नहीं दे सकता, क्योंकि ये फैसला पार्टी हाई कमांड ने करना है कि की करना है, किनू लैके आना, किनू नहीं लैके आना, ये सारे फैसले पार्टी हाई कमांड दे ने। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਚਰਚਾ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਗਰਾਊਂਡ ਰਿਐਲਿਟੀ ਤੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਨੇ, ਸਰਕਾਰ ਦੇ ਕੀ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰਸ ਤੇ ਐਮਐਲਏਜ਼ ਜਾਂ ਐਮਪੀਜ਼ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗ੍ਰੀਵੈਂਸਸ ਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕੁ ਜੈਨੂਇਨ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਬਕਾਇਦਾ ਥ੍ਰੈਡ ਬੇਅਰ ਰਾਹੁਲ ਜੀ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ
So you heard what Pratap Bajwa, the rebel Congress MP, had to say. Anuj, if I could come to you and then I'll take this to Amandeep, who's reporting live from Chandigarh. Anuj, as far as yesterday's developments also go, remember after the captain met the dispute panel seemingly raised the issue of the grievances that have been raised by Congress MLAs that they asked captain to address at the earliest. So those developments took place, and then you had the captain leaving the national capital without meeting the party high command. So what are we to make of this?
Well, we need to understand, if we talk about the latest development which is coming in when we are talking about the Punjab internal tussle of the Congress party, then this is opposition, signing opposition growing within the party. And the top brass is looking for the upcoming election, and the kind of situation that is prevailing in the state of Punjab is a worrisome situation for the Congress party, and that's why this particular committee was constituted. If we talk about the yesterday's meeting, then yes, this was put in front of Captain also, that there are several MLAs who are complaining about Captain Amrinder Singh, or rather the promises which was done earlier when this government was formed has been not been fulfilled. So that issue has to be taken by Captain Amrinder Singh. That has to be resolved. On the other hand, we are continuously seeing that the factions are still divided, because Navjot Singh Sidhu, they are coming out with a statement, and the kind of line that has been taken by Navjot Singh Sidhu is making it very much clear that nothing has reached to consensus yet. On the other hand, yes, this is also very much true that the top process is not entertaining the kind of word that has been used by Navjot Singh Sidhu. Same was the anger among the leadership when we are talking about the top brasses in the national capital against Navjot Singh Sidhu, that why unparliamentarian language, why these kind of statements and word is being used by Navjot Singh Sidhu.
And as far as those remarks go, Anuj, and let me take this to Amandeep. As far as those remarks go, Amandeep, both the leaders have been at loggerheads. They've been speaking against each other in public. The party high command so far, since the past so many days, has not been able to, intervene to an extent that the problem gets solved. So what are we to see next?
Well, Crispin, the situation is getting more complicated in Punjab Congress, just because Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, neither they are meeting the Captain Amrinder Singh, nor Navjot Singh Sidhu has been called so far by the top brass leaders. In fact, after meeting three-member panel, Captain Amrinder Singh made an attempt to meet Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, but that turned down, so he has to return back to Punjab to initiate his all meetings for 2022 elections. And in fact, on the other side, Sidhu is continuously throwing the words with a very controversial language against Captain Amrinder Singh, and that was not in a flow that was deliberately used by Navjot Singh Sidhu. So Sidhu is clearly indicating that either my way or highway, Sidhu is not going to work with Captain Amrinder Singh. But on the other side, Captain is trying to manage everything. He was holding meetings with the dissent faces, MLAs, ministers, trying to manage them, trying to resolve their queries as well. But the final call supposed to be taken by the Sonia Gandhi, and Navjot Singh Sidhu's position turned to be a big hurdle for the High Command, that which position can be given to Navjot Singh Sidhu so he can fit inside the Punjab Congress, just because it is very much apprehended that neither Navjot Singh Sidhu nor Captain Amrinder Singh going to work with each other, the kind of confrontational attitude have for each other.
Yes.
So this
and
is
after Rahul Gandhi's interaction with the Congress MLAs today in the national capital, let's see whether the party high command can dig deep into this and really solve the internal crisis that has only been brewing. Thank you, Anuj and Amandeep as well, for joining us with those details.